Hello again, Algebra 3 students here. I've got a few problems I want to go over from the 1-1 worksheet based on our survey for fourth period. So first of all, number 4 was one. Which of the following points are on the graph of negative 5x plus 4y equals 18? What that is asking us, if we plug in an x, the x coordinate there, and the y coordinate there, do we get 18? So really I'm just going to take negative 5 and my x is negative 1.2, so that is a positive 6. And then for the 4y, 4 times my y is 12. Do these two add up to be 18? Yes, they do. So we'd say yes, those points are on the line. Doing the same process, we can do this a little bit different. I can say negative 5 times 3 plus 4 times negative 3/4. Does that equal 18? So here I get negative 15. Here, the 4's cancel, and I get negative 3. That actually equals negative 18, so we'd say, no, they're not the same. Similarly here, I'm going to bring this one down, kind of run out of room, so this is going to be negative 5 times negative 18 plus 4 times 24. Does that equal 18? So when I multiply this, I get 90. When I multiply this, I get 96. And that is not going to equal 18. So no. And then this last one for number 4 is negative 4 times negative 6. Oh, actually, no, sorry. Negative 5, negative 6, plus 4 times negative 3. Does that equal 18? So this is 30 plus negative 12. Does that equal 18? And yes, it does. So that goes with number 4 from worksheet 1-1. Next one on our list was 5. So solve the systems. It doesn't say which way to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look here, and I'm going to multiply this by 5. So my first equation stays as it is. And then I'm going to distribute. So I get 5x plus 5y equals 15. Now the reason why I want to do that is these cancel. I get 8x equals 24, so x equals 3. So I've got one of the variables. I need to look at try to find the other. So I'm going to pick the second equation because it looks a little simpler. And I'm going to say x plus y equals 3. I'm going to substitute a 3 in here from up here. And 3 plus what is 3? Y has to equal 0. Now our final answer is really an ordered pair. So the x is 3 and the y is 0. Similarly over here, I got negative sign for the y's. I got a positive negative, so I'm going to kind of work here. And if I multiply by 2, I'm going to get a cancel out going on. So I'm going to rewrite the top line, or top equation, or row 1 sometimes are referred to. And when I distribute, I get 2x minus 6y equals 12. So I'm just going to double check. When I add them, these cancel, so negative 12y equals 30. divide by negative 12. So I get y equals negative 2.5. Okay. And that's my y coordinate. Now I pick one of these here, and I'm going to pick this top equation. So I get negative 2x minus 6 times my y I just found out about equals 18. So I get 2x. Here I get positive 9 when I calculate that. And we get 18. Subtract the 9 over and divide by negative 2. So we get an x of negative 4.5. Well, something's fishy there. Negative 4.5 and negative 2.5. Well, that's different than my other answer key. So let me just double check here. I got negative 2x, negative 6 times my y, which is that. Oh, this is not 9. That is actually 15. So this is negative 3. This is this is 3. So this is 3. So this is 1.5. Sorry about that. So again, a little bit of a hiccup there, but all good here. Number 9 is what we'll do next. So number 9 is prove that form a parallelogram using the distance formula. So I want to find the distance of AB, and that should be the same as the distance from CD. And then I got to find the distance from BC. That's got to be the same as the distance from AD. So if these are equal and these are equal, then we have a parallelogram. So A to B, I get 2 for the change in x and 2 for the change in y, or the distance between the y's. That's going to give me the square root of 8. From CD, I get 2 for the distance between x's. I get 2 for the distance between y's. And so these are okay. From BC, I get 1 for the distance between x's and 6 for the distance here. So that's a square root of 37. And then if I do A to D, I get 1 for the distance between x's, 6, and so we have that. So because these are equal and these are equal, it's a parallelogram. So we've proven that. And I guess that does that. So hopefully that helped you out. These were the ones that there were more than one request. Hopefully this helps. So long.